It's a new 2026 Acura MDX. It breaks all the rules. It checks all the boxes. It defines Acura precision-crafted performance. It comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual-zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, heated steering wheel, front and rear parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather sport seats. Acura believes if there is a better way, take it. That philosophy shines through in this vehicle. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
We believe the cars we offer are the highest quality and ideal for your life needs. We look forward to doing business with you. Bradshaw Acura at 2450 Lawrence Road,